Good afternoon, folks. How is everybody? I hope everybody's good. Just wanted to fill you guys in about this beast that arrived. She's a 2020 Ford Mustang GT Premium, one owner. $50,000 miles, not the base package, loaded with every option. I cannot wait to get inside and show you guys some features that are in certain year model and above Mustang GT Coyotes. It is the mode button and the steering wheel button. Folks, many more photos will be on our website at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact is Justin, sales, service, finance. So 10-speed automatic, right? Well, guess what? Priority Ford just installed a brand new transmission maybe 2 days ago. Yes, that is awesome news. Folks, fully serviced. 305 3019s in the back, I believe. Yes, it is. 305 3019s in the back. And 255 4019s in the front. Am I right? Yeah. 255 4019s, Brembo rotors. Gunmetal gray. I mean, the sun is about to go down, but I'll try to get as close as I can. Gunmetal gray with black leather interior. Look at those headlights. Plenty of photos that you guys can zoom in and check it out. All right, let's open this engine. We do service Coyotes also. 5.0 F-150s, 5.0 Range Rovers. I mean, there's slight differences between them, but we know this engine. Okay, boy, that was heavy. This is how the 5.0 runs when she's happy. Just like a clock. Funny noises, nothing. 50,000 miles, completely serviced, and a brand new transmission installed as of 2 days ago at Priority Ford. So doesn't get much better than that. I'm gonna close the hood. So this is what I want to show you guys. Let's look at it up high. And then I'm jumping in because you gotta see this mode feature. Completely changes the exhaust, the gear ratios, everything. I love it. You know, back in the day, Mustangs used to be boring. Well, they sure are not boring anymore. They're the hottest selling coupe. This is like a smoked aluminum dash all the way. That's the 55-year badge. Navigation, backup camera, anything you can think of is right there. Look at how many buttons are on the steering wheel. You can control all of this. You can set your distance on the cruise control right here. So that S Plus right there is telling me I'm on the Sport Plus mode, right? So I'm gonna keep the phone right here. I'm not gonna move it so you can hear different tones. Don't you worry, we do not rev anything at the lot without making sure the engine is hot. So I'm going to push this mode button here, the one next to it is steering. I'm going to push this mode button here, and I just want you to see he's telling me that I'm on Sport Plus. Now I went to track. Now everything changed. Now listen to the exhaust. I'm gonna push it again. It's gonna tell me I am on track. Now this is the drag strip mode. Now this is the snow and wet mode. And here's the normal mode. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I can. I mean, it definitely changes the mode. So the steering wheel button, if I push that, you have different steering options. Normal, comfort, sport. Heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, climate control, phone, apps, million different things you can do with it. Yes, folks, she's like new. I'm not joking. I mean, 2020, 50K, barely driven. No rips, no tears, no fade, nothing. Back seat, obviously nobody sat in it. Yeah, a lot of photos will be on our website at trimaxauto.com. 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. We'll be happy to help you guys out. We are having a Thanksgiving sale. It is posted also on our listings, so come take advantage of it. We appreciate your business. Thank you so much for everything. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. If you purchase a car from us and you want to get service done, you get discounted parts and labor. Blind spot, both sides. Yeah. One gorgeous Mustang, and we have the white one right there. 2015 50-year anniversary. And that's it, folks. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for everything. We love you guys. Bye.